In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the IT8000 3/8" Tie-Lok tool. This tool is designed specifically for the automotive heat and sound shield market. This tool has many advantages over previous clamping tools, including the motor and sensors. The motor improves your reliability and tension. The sensors verify that you have a tight clamp every single time. There is also an LED that shows your process of these sensors in the motor to ensure that you are getting a good clamp every time. The tail insertion on the IT8000 is a little different than previous banding tools. It actually goes in about a 30-degree angle instead of directly in. So you insert it at an angle and then push until you feel resistance. You need about 3 inches of tail to be able to activate the tension system. The other thing this tool has are these proximity sensors that verify that the tool is, or the clamp is in the correct location. So as you are installing, these sensors are sensing the workpiece and the buckle to ensure that it is tangent against the workpiece. How you will notice this is that when you are installing a clamp, if you lean back on it, it won't activate until the clamp is tangent to the workpiece. There is a blinking yellow light when the tool is activated. Once you reach tension, there will be a solid yellow light, and then once the tool has passed all the sensor checks, it will turn green. Occasionally, you will get in a red light indicating that the sensors detected something abnormal during installation. Now I'm going to demonstrate the installation of 3 bands. Notice the smooth operation, lack of vibration, and minimal noise. This is the advantage of this new tool. It's going to significantly reduce and eliminate your rework and quality issues because you're going to install a tight band and a consistent process every single time.